and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Haul Kind of Girl. I have May 2019's Birchbox, so I'm going to get right in. If you guys do not know what Birchbox is, it is a monthly subscription where you pay $10 for 5 to 6 beauty samples. So this month, it is so awesome on the box that they sent. They have all the women painted on the front of the box that are in this picture. And these are all the people who invented Birchbox. So it's really cool. So it just says, we are proud to celebrate and empower female-funded brands. So this is so awesome. I love Birchbox. The first sample that I received is, they gave me this cute little sticker that says, stronger together, with little lips on it. They also gave me this Huxley Secret of the Sahara Glow and Brighten Mask. Great things never came from the comfort zones. So I'm going to go ahead and open this now. It came in this little cool package. So this is the mask they sent me. This is pretty awesome. So I'm so excited about trying this out. Oh, and you know what? There's a whole bunch of liquid at the bottom. Discover Precious and Strong. Cool. The next item is this Dr. Lip, and this is the tint. This is, sweet potato pigment, 100% natural. Now there is 0.1 fluid ounce. Formulated on the Dr. Lips Award winning balm, famous for its long-lasting moisture. This is 100% natural moisturizing tint with edible plant-based pigment, fragrance, and additive free. So very kissable. So I have received samples of this before. It's a pretty cool product. I actually like this one, so I'm pretty excited about that. The next item is this coconut hand and nail balm. Hydrate, condition your hands, nails, and cuticles. Right up my alley. Now there is 0.27 ounces. So again, guys, very small samples just to try out the product. So on the back, an ultra-rich hand balm made to treat and soften your dry hands and cuticles. Apply in your hands when your skin feels dry. Massage daily onto your cuticles. Cool. It says dermatologist tested, 100% vegetarian, free of parabens, phosphates, and any harsh chemicals. Cool. The next item, I've gotten stuff like this before by the Beauty Protector Company. This is Protect and Detangle. Leave-in detangler. I don't think you can go wrong with using this. It's protecting and detangling your hair. Now, there is 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. So it's a nice size sample, a lot bigger than the other samples. The next item they sent me is a Butter London. And this is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. It says, wow. So they do have a before and then after. Cool. So there is 5.5 milliliters, which is 0.18 ounces. So let's see what it says. Full on Double Decker. Drama is yours with our amplifying mascara. It says, formulated to lengthen, curl, and multiply your lashes from root to tip. Cool. Another exciting product. Pretty excited about this. I love the company Butter London. I cannot talk today. The next product I got is the Amika Curls Corpse Defining Cream. Now there is 0.67 fluid ounces. Always a cute packaging with this company. Any sample I've received from them or any product I've ever used by this company works amazing. So let's just see what it says, guys. Okay, get your curls into a formation of smoothing control cream that softly coaxes your curls and keeps them from frizzing, spitting, or sagging. Cool. So this month, I'm just so excited about these awesome, little samples I received. If you guys like these kind of videos and you're new here, please give me a like and subscribe, because every single month I'm going to be putting out videos just like this, and I just love sharing with you guys what I get, because I love any kind of makeup boxes. And just know, guys, I am not perfect, but every single day I'm trying to become a better person. And with that said, you guys cannot take care of anybody until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself the proper way, you can take care of others the proper way. Please leave me a comment below. What is your favorite item of this box that you guys see, or an item you've already tried? Thank you guys so much for watching.